Good morning, everyone. I'm Ms. Umeshwari K, teaching faculty from St. James Academy. Today, I'm going to express my views on the topic, the strength of unity. Today, I want to talk to you about the value that I believe is essential for building strong relationships, achieving common goals, and making a positive impact on the world. Unity. Yes, because when people come together, they can achieve things that they are impossible alone. Let's see what is unity first. Unity is about coming together, working together, and supporting one another. It is about recognizing that we are stronger together and not we are alone. As African proverb says, when spiders unite, they can tie up a line. That one line captures the power of unity. It reminds us that success is not just about speed, it's about support, teamwork, and shared strength. Let me share a short story. Once upon a time, a father gave his sons a bundle of sticks and asked them to break it. Each tried, but none could break the bundle. Then the father untied the sticks and gave them one by one. They broke them easily. He said, individually you are weak, but together you are strong. This story may be simple, but its lesson is timeless. We see this everywhere. In nature, birds fly in V formation to reduce the wind resistance. They support each other to go farther. In sports, a single star player is not enough. It's the team that wins the game. In society, movements for justice, freedom, and change everywhere, powered by people coming together. Even in our daily lives, whether it's family, friends, classmates, or co workers, we stand united, we feel stronger, more confident, and more capable. Helen Keller, who overcame the greatest of odds, once said, alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. Challenges of unity are here. Difference in opinion. When people come together, they may have different opinions and perspectives, which can lead to conflict. The next thing is lack of trust. Trust is essential for unity, but it can be difficult to build and maintain. And the next one is communication breakdowns. Communication breakdowns can occur when people are not listening to each other or they are not communicating effectively. And the next one is overcoming challenges to unity. Active listening, listening to each other and trying to understand their perspectives can help to build trust and resolve conflict. And open mindedness. Being open minded and willing to consider different perspectives can help people to foster unity. And the last one is effective communication. How we can communicate effectively. Communicating effectively and clearly can help to prevent misunderstanding and build trust. Unity is not about being the same, it is about coming together despite our differences, respecting each other, and working towards common goal. When people unite, problems become smaller, burdens become lighter, and dreams become achievable. My dear friends, unity is a powerful force that can bring people together, achieve common goals, and make a positive impact to the world. By recognizing the benefits of unity, overcoming challenges, and working together, we can build a strong relationship to achieve greater things in success and create a more harmonious and equitable society. So let's remember, a single drop may dry up, but an ocean made of many drops has non-stoppable force. Let's stand together, work together, and grow together to show the world the real strength of unity. Thank you for watching this video. I have got something excited in upcoming video. Stay honest, stay strong, and stay awesome. We will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.